Hello everybody, I'm Uma Kalyani, registered dietitian. This is the holy month of Ramadan, the fasting month. There are some diet tips to be taken during the fasting. So let me tell you briefly about the benefits of fasting. There are several physical, mental, emotional and spiritual benefits of taking the fasting. So let me tell you briefly about what happens to our body when we have our food. As soon as we have something, any food, the food gets digested within 2 to 3 hours and the carbohydrates are converted to sugars and thus the blood sugar rises. So when the blood sugar level rises, our pancreas, the gland pancreas produces more insulin hormones when the blood sugar rises, and the insulin converts the blood sugar to energy, and that is converted utilized by the cells of our body. Thus we get the energy from the food. When we are having more food, so whatever is needed for our day-to-day activities, it is taken through the blood sugar. So whatever is more is converted to glycogen and stored in the liver and other muscles. Also, the body converts the blood sugar, excess blood sugar to fat and is stored in the body. So when we are doing the fasting, all this excess fat gets utilized as we are not having any food. The excess fat and the muscle glycogen is utilized for the day-to-day activities. So because of the same reason, it is beneficial for people having chances of getting any lifestyle diseases and all. These excess fat causes chances of many lifestyle diseases. So thus during fasting, the chances of lifestyle diseases comes down. Also fatty liver. The people who are having more of excess of fat in their liver is also getting utilized during fasting. Thus the chances of many lifestyle diseases comes down because of the fasting, and the intestinal and the gastrointestinal system gets purified, the toxins are removed from the body and the dead cells are removed and healthy cells are formed in the body. In turn, our immunity improves during fasting. So there are plenty of benefits because of the fasting, physiological benefits. Also mentally, if you see, we are learning a systematic lifestyle. So in turn, physical, emotional, mental and spiritual benefits are there because of the fasting. Now let me tell you briefly about what are the diet tips to be taken care. So like any other time during fasting also, we have to make sure that when we are having our food, apart from the 14 hours of fasting, when we are having our food, we have to make sure that we are having a balanced diet, which includes healthy whole grains, pulses, dal, egg, non-vegetarian like egg, fish, low-fat meat to be included in the diet to get enough protein. Also enough vegetables and fruits to get the vitamins, minerals and fiber. Also we can include more nuts to make sure we are getting enough protein and healthy fats through them. We can also include more of water because dehydration is very common during the fasting, especially the Ramzan fasting time and the summer time are together. So make sure that you are drinking enough water. Whenever we are having food, along with that we have to make sure that we are having enough water. So just before starting the fasting, we can have something light. So make sure that you are having 1 or 2 glasses of water before starting the fasting. Also some light breakfast or tiffin items you can have, like with whole grains, and some pulses can be included, or egg or fish can be included in that, and a bowl of salads or vegetables, boiled vegetables or some sabji with vegetables we can have. Also try to include some fruits. Then after 14 hours of fasting, when we are breaking the fasting by 6:30 in the evening or 6:20 or 6:30 in the evening, you can break the fast with dates, 1 or 2 dates along with 1 or 2 glasses of warm water, because warm water is best drink to have while breaking the fast, because refrigerated cool beverages and water causes acidity in many people. So better to avoid acidic juices and cold water, better to have warm water with 1 or 2 dates immediately after breaking the fast. Then after half an hour you can have a bowl of fruits, fresh fruits or vegetables. You can have also the porridge made out of rice, the gruel, which is called nombu kanni. It is very good, which is made up of rice and some herbs, some gentle masalas, and fenugreek, garlic, which are also very healthy to have during this time. This porridge is very easy to digest, and because of the herbs, it improves our immunity and it is good for our system. Then after the prayer, the next meal should be a wholesome meal, again with whole grains, some breakfast item, some tiffin items like made out of healthy whole grains you can have, along with some dal or pulses or egg or fish or low fat meat you can include. Make sure you are having 1 or 2 bowls of vegetables as salads or cooked vegetables. Also try to include some fruits along with that. Then nuts or dry fruits can also be incorporated in between. Then you can have plenty of water, tender coconut water, diluted fruit juices can be taken. So overall, you can include even greens along with the meal. Overall, your diet should be wholesome and healthy with plenty of food groups to make sure that you are getting enough nutrients when you are breaking the fast. Okay, so the foods to be avoided is better to avoid carbonated drinks, as it is empty calories, doesn't give any nutrition to our body, only empty calories we get. Also carbonated drinks like even caffeinated drinks like too much of coffee and tea to be avoided. 1 or 2 glasses it's fine, but too much of repeated usage of coffee and tea acts as a diuretics in our system, which causes water loss from our body faster, so that's to be avoided. Also foods which are having too much of salt like papads, soups with too much of salt, then processed foods and all which is having too much of salt like pickles and all to be avoided or minimized, because too much of salt also cause water loss from our body, that's to be avoided. Then the quantity of food we are taking is very less during this time. So make sure that whatever you are having should be nutrient dense and calorie wise minimal should be provided. Also too much of sweets, bakery food products, then processed foods also to be minimized or avoided to the maximum, so that our body gets enough nutrition, though we are having very less quantity of food but nourishing foods to be taken. So these are the simple tips to be taken care during fasting of Ramadan. Hope you will enjoy the season. Thank you.